We are middle of nowhere and off across a farmer's field that's thick of mud. I have a feeling trying to get across here I'm going to weigh a ton more. I'm not going to go around it. The footpath goes through the centre, the public right of way. But look at it. Look at it. Forest over there, look. Look at it. It always amazes me how in the middle of nowhere a farmer can have a field of crops and plough it. It's amazing, isn't it? And there's no roads here. I've just had a look on the map. It comes through field after field after field after field to get here. It's definitely muddy though. I'm definitely going to be a lot heavier by the time I get to the top of this field. A lot heavier. Oh well, never mind. Oh, I've said this before. It doesn't matter how dirty you get, just get out. Just get out. Don't matter how dirty or wet you get. Take the right clothes out with you. Get out. Get out into nature. Make the time. Make the time to do it. Make the time to do it. Make the time, beautiful souls. Make it. It's who we are. We're out of nature. We're out of nature. I've got hovercraft boots again. They're getting heavier and heavier and heavier. You may not be able to pick it up on this camera. You may not. Let's have a look. I don't just love this. I love you lot as well. Human beings. I don't like being around a lot of human beings. I don't like that. I don't like the noise and everything that goes on. There's many people that don't. But I love you. Human beings. You've got so much potential. It's limitless. The potential is completely and utterly limitless. If you just took that first step. Look, my hair's going everywhere. I think it's getting time for me to have it cut again. Just take that first step and then take the second one. You can do it because billions of people have done in the past. Billions have done. Become creative. Become creative. When I looked at it a few years ago, at these people at the top of their game that have started their own business and it's worked, things like that, they are creative. They don't follow the norms of what you believe. Get creative. Get adventurous. Live your life. Live it free. Live it freely. Find places. Get lost. I'm not telling you to get lost off this video, but get lost. Go somewhere. The most profound, amazing experiences I've ever had in my life is when I've got lost. And I don't just mean that metaphorically, because it's the same. If you get lost in life and then you're open to receiving, you're open to something different, God, you get the most profound things happen to you. The most beautiful, amazing and wonderful things happen to you in your life. You really do, look. Wow. Get creative. Do something different, and know full well beyond any reasonable doubt that you can change your life if you want to, that you can change anything in your life. And that first time, I've said before in another video, as soon as you change something, you know full well, without any doubt, that you can change anything in your life. For what your heart and soul truly tells you, not what somebody else has told you, not somebody else that said this is the way to live. As truly beautiful as our planet, it's truly beautiful. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to anybody and everybody else that you can. Much love and many blessings to each and every one of you. Thank you.
Some say I lost the plot that day, but I reckon really I found my way. Traded the cage for a life untamed, and I do it all